Welcome to Infinity with VJ. In this video, we are going to discuss about the problems related to quadratic equation. Let us move further. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So let us take the number and let x, y be the two numbers. They have given whose sum is 27, means x plus y is equal to 27. The sum of two numbers are 27 and product is 182. The product of two numbers 182. We can write this, we have to make this like a quadratic equation in one variable. Okay, so we will write this x plus y is equal to 7 as y is equal to 27 minus x. Okay, we will put this y is equal to 27 minus x in this xy is equal to 182. So x into y is 27 minus x is equal to 182. X into 27, that is 27x square, minus x into x, that is x square, is equal to 182. We will write this in the standard form, that is, what is the standard form of a quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, correct? So we will take this plus x square to RHS, it will become minus x square, it will become plus x square. Here, sorry, it is 27x. When plus 27x comes to RHS, it will become minus 27x. Here 182 present on RHS, right hand side only. So we will write as it is. 182 is equal to 0. We will return this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Standard form. Correct. Next, we are going to split this. When we add, we have to get minus 27, and when we multiply, we have to get 182. So that two numbers are nothing but 14 and 13. So 14 and 13. Symbol, it should be negative only. See here, we have to get minus 27. So both numbers should be negative. Minus 14, minus 13. It will become minus 27. And when we multiply 14 into 13, that is 182. Minus into minus, that is plus. So we will split this x square minus 27x as minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now separate this. X is common. X minus 14 minus 13, we can take it out and it will become x minus 14 is equal to 0. Here again x minus 14 is common, x minus 13 remaining is equal to 0. So equate this x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. So x becomes plus 14 or x becomes plus 13. So if x becomes 14, what will becomes y? Y means 27 minus x, correct? So 27 minus 14, that is 13. So if x becomes 13, then y is equal to 27 minus x, that is 27 minus 13, that is 40. So what and all that two numbers? 14 and 13. So I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, please put on the comment section. Thank you for watching.